So on behalf of Lauren's mother, Diana, myself and Dave's parents, Mike and Michelle, we would like to thank all of you for being here tonight and celebrating this big day.
You stand firm to the beliefs and morals that you have, never succumb to peer pressure, and have always instilled a sense of adventure in those around you. You've always said that I take life by the horns, but failed to realize I was just copying you. Even when we were younger, climbing fences at restricted rock quarries, or having boxing competitions in the Tin Cap Stadium, you never failed to make the situation fun.
Lauren, you are a beautiful and gorgeous young woman. Time flies by. Dances, dating, prom, football games, the ACT, college applications. It was all good and smooth and exactly like I had hoped and pictured. And I think that Lauren and I grew even closer as she got older.
Lauren's kindness towards others, her big heart, her unwavering support for her family and friends, and her unforgiving allergies to gluten and dairy. She is an amazing friend, a beautiful person inside and out, and now she's married to her soulmate.
We always told Lauren, do your thing, do it well, be true to who you are and what you believe in, and no matter how uncool or unpopular it may seem, Lauren, you embraced it and turned it into something special. You have a great job, a great husband, and a full life ahead of you. So proud of you, so happy for you. My love for you is truly endless.
David, do you take Lauren to be your wife?
I do.
Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Lauren, do you take David to be your husband?
I do.
Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
She's my best friend and my role model wrapped into one. Sorry. After 21 years of following closely behind Lauren, I know it's time to pass that responsibility to Dave. And as I do that, I feel an immense amount of gratitude because I know that Dave will protect and care for you as I always hoped someone would. Dave, you are one of a kind. You are loving, quiet, funny, and bursting with so much compassion. I know you will love Lauren in all the ways I have and so many more.
Lauren, receive this ring
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
David, take this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
What is there to not like about Dave? He's smart, tall, ambitious, caring, handsome, and not Asian. We love you tons, and welcome to our family.
It is now my distinct honor and pleasure and joy to introduce to you for the first time you, Mr. and Mrs. David Streleka.
I want to give a toast to the happy couple and wish them a long life and a wonderful marriage.
Lauren and Dave, I wish you all the love and happiness that life has to offer. This is just the start of an incredible journey together. To Lauren and Dave,